Okay, I found out that Losi is no longer running their little crystals and their micros the hard way, and I have been fighting with Horizon Hobby over all that because I've been getting the wrong micro boards for my desert truck. Right where I've been running the Acceleron stuff, which they do not make Acceleron no more, so this little guy is obsolete now, so I cannot run this no more. I have to run something different, which now I'm waiting on the new radio system. So now I've got the new ESC board, got all that wired in. Got a new taser motor to replace the Acceleron motor. My micro desert two-wheel drive juggernaut has been one crazy build so far.